anything, I'll put it in a pen and leave a note.
I think it's related to this one, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, same batch. Yeah. Wait on it at all.
Okay.
I don't know which one this one is. Oh, yeah, I can't tell them apart. Okay, do you guys know which baby this one is? Because it's done something to its paw, so I'm gonna put it in the bed. I'm sorry for putting him to bed so quick. I'm so sorry. That's you. Wuzzy or Fuzzy? It's either Fuzzy or Wuzzy. Fuzzy, gold back, gold dot back of neck. Okay, that's not a dot. Skinny white up nose. Skinny white up nose. Well, it doesn't have a dot on the back. What did you do? They're both boys. Gold dot back.
Maybe that is the one with the, to me, the thin white doesn't look thin. There's the other one. There's one with the gold dot.
Okay, then this one is. This one is Wuzzy. This is Wuzzy. It did something to its foots.
Oh, anyway.
I'll put it in a pen with some food and water and leave a note.
Maybe you need popcorn in there with it. Popcorn went back to sleep.
Really? I'll get food and water. Oh, good night, Susan. I'm sorry I didn't hold Ramsey very long. I'm sorry. I'll put it down again to see if it's got better. If not, I'm going to put it up in that pen because I don't want to get hurt again. Oops, I keep going into the spot where you can't see. You'll be alright. You'll be alright. Let me see. Nope, I laid it off. Stop playing. Yeah, his motor's purring. He is. I'll put him up in a pen with popcorn. He says, I'd be alright. I'd be alright. The Fuzzy. The Wuzzy. He's a Wuzzy. Put you in this popcorn. message. Amby's feeling a little bit better. She got some of that snot out.